SR Painters and Designers. Rising damp. Rising damp in wall paint is a common issue in many buildings and can result from various factors. Signs of rising damp: damp tide mark on the wall, hygroscopic salts on the wall plaster, wallpaper peeling and paint flaking from wall, damaged timber on skirting board, and damp smell. Some of the key causes of rising damp in wall paint: faulty or absent damp-proof course, DPC. A DPC is a barrier in the walls designed to prevent moisture from rissing through the structure. If the DPC is damaged, improperly installed, or missing, it can lead to rissing damp in the wall paint. Capillary action. Capillary action refers to the ability of water to travel upwards through porous materials, such as bricks and mortar. If the building's materials have a high capillary action, they can draw up moisture from the ground. High groundwater levels. If the building is situated in an area with high water tables or poor drainage, the groundwater can seep into the walls, leading to rising damp and affecting the paint. Cracks and structural defects. Structural defects, such as cracks in the walls, deteriorating mortar joints, or gaps around windows and doors, can provide pathways for moisture to enter the walls and result in rising damp.
Lack of ventilation. Inadequate ventilation in a building can cause moisture to accumulate, especially in enclosed spaces.
This excess moisture can lead to rising damp and subsequently affect the wall paint. External factors. Issues such as leaking or damaged gutters, downpipes, or external drainage problems can contribute to rising damp by allowing water to penetrate the walls. Incorrect wall coatings. If the initial wall coating was not applied correctly, or if inappropriate materials were used, it could exacerbate the problem of rising damp by trapping moisture within the walls.
To address rising damp in wall paint, it's essential to identify the underlying cause and take appropriate remedial measures. Professional advice from a damp-proofing specialist, SR Painters and Designers, for accurate diagnosis and effective solutions.